Hello everyone, for this video I just wanted to do a quick video about my above ground pool, and as you can see right now I lost half of my water overnight. So now since I lost half of my water, that means I'm gonna have to start over. So I'm gonna be vacuuming this pool again and refilling it, and once I refill it I'm gonna start over with balancing the water. My problem here is I have a high pH, high alkalinity, and it's gonna take me at least another week to be able to balance the water again so that the pH will become stable. And I'm making this video so that you don't make the same mistake that I did. If you can see here, last night this thing just split right here, and basically all the water have gushed out from it. Most of the users is saying that this hose is good for 1 year for them. I was able to get 2 years out of this hose, and on the third year it started leaking. You can see that I have replaced that part of the hose, I have replaced that part of the hose, I have replaced that part of the hose. However, I still kept this two right here. I would suggest that if you have this type of hoses, make sure that you check it out every year that you replace it. And if you have one hose that fail or that gives you leak, don't even try to patch it up. If I were you, I will purchase a replacement right away and fix it or replace it, because once you have one of the hose started giving you problem, it is only a matter of days or maybe weeks before the rest of the hose give in. Actually, my experience is this part of the hose here have actually given me the first problem, and it is a very small leak, and I patched it up before I actually replaced it. And then after that, that part of the hose right there started giving me problem as well, and just replaced it. And now you can see that now it's this one right here. So that is within a matter of about 6 weeks, I could say. And the worst part is that this thing did not just leak but actually gushed the water out, and it happened while we were sleeping. So if you have a hose like this, make sure you check it every year. Maybe fold it like this, and if any parts of it gives in like that, then you don't want to keep that hose anymore. Make sure you replace it before you lose all your water. I hope that you don't make the same mistake that I did. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe button to help my channel. And thank you for watching.